To use Photo Table for a scattered photo effect as your screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Display. Tap Display. Scroll down the screen. Tap Screensaver. Next, select Photo Table. Tap Settings icon next to Photo Table to customize it. Choose an album or mode to be displayed. Tap the back key. If needed, you can tap Preview button to see how this screensaver will appear. Given to the function, by setting Photo Table as your screensaver, your screen will come alive with a scattered photo effect, which make random picture from your selected album will gently float and rotate across the screen. It's a fun and personal way to enjoy your favorite memories every time your device is idle while you are charging it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.